Wow. Wow.
Where is your phone? Are you taking a picture?
No, I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay. And then look at the camera. Yeah, you go.
I can sew you up like that.
Yeah, you bend down, then you touch it.
Evet arkadaşlar, şimdi de crocodiles görmeye geldik, yani timsahları. Çok heyecanlıyım, hayatımda ilk defa gerçek timsah göreceğim ama çok vahşilermiş, öyle söylediler. Yani saldırmayı seviyorlarmış. Olabilir, biz de gop çocuğuyuz, gelsin bakalım. Hadi bakalım. Bakalım neredelermiş. Böyle küçük balıklar var, bakın. Türk bayrağının olması üzücü. Is it real?
Yeah,
Why it stays like that? Like a statue?
it's taking in here. So you come here.
So you can see it from here. So
Ah.
to the side.
Yeah.
So check it from the
Oh,
map.
got it.
Wow.
Wow. Şu an sadece içine hava depoluyormuş arkadaşlar. Wow. How many you have here?
90?
90?
Yeah.
Wow.
In this, just the space.
All of them. You have a lake inside. So let's move inside.
Alright. Bu gölde tam 90 tane crocodile varmış arkadaşlar. 90 adet. Bir sürü kuş var burada. Bakın.
How do they not attract people? I don't understand.
You know, because just all these people come in here.
Oh my
These are the
god.
babies.
The baby crocodile. Bakın arkadaşlar, tam şurada. Oh. What if there is a big one right there?
No, no, no. They won't attack you.
You're not scared of them?
Yeah, I used to be. But the small ones are mostly getting.
Saklandı buraya arkadaşlar. Bizden kaçtı ve her an çıkıp
This one in the water.
Where?
yapabilirler. Oh my god. Huge one.
Wait, how does it?
Right there.
How does it respond like a dog?
You see that she's turned?
Oh my god.
Because of the whistling.
Islık çalınca geri geliyor çünkü kızı tanıyorlar artık, alışmışlar beslediği için. Sesine alışmışlar.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Bakın timsah geliyor arkadaşlar.
Is that Sarah?
Yeah, that's around.
Yeah, that's Sarah.
This is the king.
Yeah.
Oo. Kral geldi. Adı kralmış. Patronları buymuş hepsinin. Wow. Wow. What if it attacked her?
So you see Sarah? That's the biggest one.
Yeah.
So that's the biggest
Yeah.
one here.
Yeah.
His name is Saddam Hussein.
Saddam Hussein.
Saddam Hüseyin'miş.
Saddam Hussein.
Saddam Hüseyin ismi arkadaşlar. Buranın en büyük timsahı.
Yeah, he wants Saddam to come out so that he can touch it.
Oh.
Ooh.
No, no, I don't wanna touch. No.
Would you like to do the same thing?
No, no, no. Thank you.
You don't want to feed it?
No,
No way. No, absolutely not.
I'm really scared. Alright, I'm really scared.
It's how did you train to do that?
They are. We started doing this thing with them since they are small, so that's why you can whistle and they'll come anywhere they are because they have been used to that since they are small.
So he took advantage of the first crocodile and the sister coming
And he named this crocodile sat down person. One is over there. So for them it's 49.
He's 49.
Wow.
When did they build this place?
92.
92. Oh, so
31 now.
okay.
But it was here before the opening.
1992'de
So
burayı
this existed before they
inşa
used
etmişler.
this
Bir tane
water.
Ganalı adam burayı almış Avrupa'dan gelip.
This one is a man-made, which is
Man-made.
Yani yurt dışından gelip.
and with this species of very few.
Yeah.
They also
Timsah da 40 küsur yaşındaymış. Az önce gördüğünüz.
So the black and yellow ones are the weaver beds. And all the nettles you see around over here are made by the weaver beds.
Yes.
And the noise that you are hearing is coming from this
Yeah, you see the nest that they make?
Yeah.
there? It's those are those birds, the weaver birds.
Oo.
Yeah.
and the tribes ones.
Bu kuşlar sadece gölde yaşıyormuş arkadaşlar. Göl kuşu.
And the long purple ones. They swim under the water.
Wow. We front of you, babe.
Oh, she's like that.
You can?
Let's go.
Should we pass?
There's another one.
Oh my god.
You see, there's a lizard over there.
Yeah.
A very
Yeah.
big one. Listen.
Is it the monitor lizard?
Yeah. It's going. It's going.
I've seen them in person.
Burada bir timsah daha var arkadaşlar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know the monitor? It's the biggest lizard in the world.
Ve
Like it's like the longest lizard. It's like,
If maybe you can see.
gerçekten biraz korkuyorum.
Yeah.
Çünkü
The two,
bir tane burada var, bir tane burada var.
second one is getting closer.
O da arkadan gelirse vallahi öper bizi. Anamızı ağlatır.
You want to touch it?
no, I'll touch it. But
You touch it.
like,
So you go. You go behind. Where is your phone? Are you taking a picture?
No, I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay. And then look at the camera.
It's not hard.
Yeah. So touch it again and look through the camera. Touch it and look through the camera. Yeah.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Yeah, you go.
I can show you out like that.
Yeah, you bend down, then you touch it. Don't worry, and then look at the camera. Look at the camera. Touch it and
You did touch it.
and look at the camera.
look at the camera.
The camera. You
Arkadaşlar çok garip, çok garip. Altıma sıçtım, altıma.
This is a baby.
It's
Oh.
a female crocodile.
Ha, bu küçük olanmış. Arkadaşlar altıma sıçtım. Vallahi çok korktum. Abi bu ne böyle? Yaşlarını da vücudundaki tırtıklardan öğrenebiliyorsunuz. Kaç tane tırtığı varsa crocodile'ın yaşı o kadarmış. Çok enteresan bir bilgi. Çok ama çok enteresandı. Gerçekten çok korktum. Timsaha dokunurken. Güzel bir deneyim oldu. Gana şu an her şey, Gana için şu an her şey çok iyi gidiyor. İkimiz de çok korktuk Kristina ile ama yapacak bir şey yok. Denedik, deneyimledik. Şimdilik Gana güzel. Bakalım bizi daha neler bekliyor.